Hey, hey, hey. Hello, hello. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, whenever you are on this amazing world.
Hey, hey, hey. Hello, hello.
Okay, the
Morning,
sun
good
is.
afternoon, good evening, whenever you are
Okay,
on
I
this
cannot
amazing
stop it.
world. Hey, hey, hey. Hello,
Okay, so just I tried if the sound is good because yesterday I made 3 videos and on all of them there was no sound. So just I checked that everything's working well. So today on 4th of June 2021, we have an amazing day, even if Bitcoin just did a fake out and Elon Musk tweeted again against Bitcoin. But we see that the market is mixed. We see some red, some drops, but we see some nice pumps like Curve, Celsius, UMA, Filecoin, Kusama, really nice. Kusama is running like a white horse. XMR Monero. Yesterday, there was a news that Monero is building a cross chain where you can swap Bitcoin to Monero and Monero to Bitcoin. T-Fuel, Leo, Doge, Theta, Argo, Solana, Wet. So nice. Also, Cake has some just 5% plus, but okay. I'm checking if everything's going well on YouTube, and we are starting our today crypto news session. Lots of news that's going around. Let's see if the sounds working well on YouTube. Hope guys you're doing well. Okay, so sounds are ready. So let's jump in and let's go check the news. But before checking the news, let's go and check the fear and greed index. So today the fear and greed index is in fear, not an extreme fear, but fear 27 at level 27. Yesterday it was in extreme fear 24, and also few days before last weekend there was at 10, and also last week there was 21. Let's get check here. So the past 1 month, the fear and greed index from extreme greed from 70 dropped down to 20 and 10, and we see that we bottomed out here at 10, and now we have some nice upsides and consolidating. So more and more people getting fearful, but maybe it's good to clean out the weak hands, the paper hands. And as we see that we had so low levels in the March 2020 Corona dump and during the bear market in 2018. So this is how low the fear can go, and yeah, so hopefully we are bottoming out for a few days here or few weeks, and after that the fear will turn to greed again. So our first news, of course, it is about Elon Musk, and let's check this tweet. Elon Musk profile picture is brand new with yellow hair, so it's colored hair, and with the red glasses, so it's really weird. And he tweeted this, that Bitcoin and a broken heart, and something that the lady says that it would be over between us if you quoted another Linkin Park song, but I have found someone else. The guy says, so in the end, it didn't even matter. So nobody knows what that means, but lots of people following Elon Musk. Also, lots of bots are following Elon Musk. Lots of bots checking what he tweets on Twitter, and then accordingly, these bots just driving through some APIs, some trading bots, and selling Bitcoin, buying Dogecoin, and doing this and doing that. But I think the crypto community it's getting maybe not to love much Elon Musk anymore. But yeah, so let's check the news. Bitcoin dips as Elon Musk tweets broken heart emoji. The price of the leading cryptocurrency took a hit after billionaire Elon Musk mentioned Bitcoin in a new tweet hinting at a breakup. Musk's latest crypto post featuring a broken heart emoji and reference to Linkin Park's song effectively halted this week's market rebound. So really crazy that why some guys tweeting this and that and the price fluctuating accordingly, and lots of people losing money, lots of people getting fearful, lots of people getting greedy on other side. So it's really insane how he is manipulating or just joking with the market. I will have a tweet that is stating something about him, but let's go forward. Musk tweet pushes Bitcoin price down before the weekend. And also we know that was a video yesterday that Bitcoin just broke above the triangle. And also we analyzed in that email that if Bitcoin will retest and getting some strength, then can continue upwards. But if we go back into the triangle, that maybe can drop further. So it's a little bit crazy because this retest into the triangle happened and the price went into the triangle. So I can suppose that Elon Musk has really good technical analysis and analyst. And then that is why if he sees something on the Bitcoin chart, then he's coming out and saying something and just crashing the market. Okay, so yeah, so we see that here we broke out about this triangle, but I will show you on the chart at the end of the news and break back into the triangle. Tech tycoon Elon Musk is back trolling Bitcoin. Okay, so nothing special. And I think as time goes, less and less people will react on Elon's tweets. Okay, so that's it. Let's check the other news. Elon Musk's reputation plummets following his Bitcoin energy attack. Elon Musk has gone from hero to villain in the eyes of the crypto and general public. So first, the crypto community really loved Elon Musk as he purchased Bitcoin, Tesla accepting Bitcoin, and so on. But now it's getting the opposite. Earlier this year, Elon Musk was considered a crypto hero following Tesla's $1.5 billion Bitcoin buy, but according to sentiment tracking firm Avario, public opinion has since swung the other way. Okay, there was this FUD about Bitcoin is wasting fossil energy, and it's not environmental friendly, and so on and so on. And Elon made a U-turn. So you guys lot of things can happen. So here is the sentiment: positive, almost positive in January 2020, and almost negative in May 2020 about Elon Musk. Yeah, so there are some billboards: sticks to space, Elon, Bitcoinist.com. Nice. So this is just my opinion, but also there are some guys on the YouTube that sharing this opinion with me, that maybe Elon Musk using this flooding tweets, maybe because BlackRock, one of the biggest investors in Tesla, want to buy Bitcoin cheap, or maybe Elon's friends, like guys at PayPal or other big tech guys, want to buy Bitcoin for cheap. So maybe this is why he's doing this, or maybe Tesla is buying Bitcoin, but we really don't know. You should check my Twitter account, and then there is a retweet. So that was this triangle. We broke out and then we came back in the triangle, but we will check it. So great thread about Elon Musk, Tesla, renewable energy, eco, Bitcoin mining. So this guy did this thread. It's good to read through, because a lot of things that what Elon Musk tweeted, what happened then. This is the renewable energy fund, and this is when the company invested in Bitcoin, and Tesla is using only internal open source software, operates Bitcoin nodes directly. So Tesla is running a Bitcoin nodes, and it's not too many people doing this, mainly miners and big whales. Okay. So a lot of things that worth to read through. Many are aware this fact that over 30 states in the US require auto manufacturers to sell a minimum amount of zero-emission vehicles to be allowed to sell any vehicles in their state. Without zero-emission vehicle and other regulatory credits, Tesla wouldn't have been able to report a 4 consecutive quarters a GAAP profitability, a milestone in reported. And also you should know that in the Q1 this year, Tesla main profit came from the Bitcoin price increase, and also from selling batteries and solar panels, not selling Tesla cars. So a lot of good arguments here. It's stating that maybe Elon Musk is helping Bitcoin somehow, but really not sure. So maybe he did this tweet yesterday evening because he wants more people jumping in Doge. And also you should really know that most of the Doge coins are hold only few addresses, and also the, let's say, 60, almost more than 60% of Dogecoin holders are just a few wallets, so not more than 100 or 200 wallets. But I will get back in the next news with real data. So it can happen that Elon Musk is one of the biggest Dogecoin holder, and that is why he wants to pump the price, and is pump it maybe about $1, then he will dump on newbies and on the retail FOMO guys. So let's go to our other news. Institutions gobbling up Cardano and 2 additional altcoins during crypto market plunge, according CoinShares. So CoinShares says institutional investors are buying Cardano, ADA, XRP, and Polkadot as the crypto market struggles to recover from a massive correction. This is a new report. We know that CoinShares sharing this report every week. Crypto investment products recorded a net inflow of 74 million last week. After 2 weeks of record outflows worth 151 million. Ethereum attracted 47 million worth of investments. So also Ethereum getting a lot of institutional attention. ADA.XRP attracting inflows 5.2 million, 3 points. So not too much. So maybe just 10 times less than Ethereum, but Ethereum leading the inflows. Investment products flows indicate that altcoins remain popular with inflows into all altcoins investment product. Bitcoin witnessed outflows of 4 million. It's not too much. Okay, so nice. Good to know that. Next piece of news. European Union to release digital wallet for payments next year. Wow, I like this flag. I like this flag. This is the number of the European Union members, but I think that was 12 or something like that. But now we do have more than 20 members, but they cannot change the flag with 20. I think the stars are here originally, but I really like it with this Bitcoin signs. The European Union will launch a digital wallet allowing citizens of any country in the bloc within the European Union to make payments and access service provided by each state, also allowing for the storage of digital ID information. So guys, they will not just storing your digital money, but your digital ID information. The wallet, which will reportedly be launched next year, could be tied in with the digital euro project, a central bank digital currency proposal that ECB is still working on. The last news was about the ECB national euro that they are working on, and they need 5 years just come out with this digital euro. So I don't know why they are coming out with the wallet so early, but we'll see. European Union to release digital wallet for payments next year. Payments and ID vault, and would allow users to store digital equivalents of their physical permits, such as passports, driver license, integrating other state dependent services too. Okay, the European Union is said to have thought about the privacy of the app users. A digital euro tie-in. Why the European Central Bank hasn't decided to issue a digital euro and is still in the process of exploring the effect of the central bank digital currencies, this wallet could be useful for the implementation of such currency. Okay, avoid dependence on digital means of payments issued and controlled from outside the euro area, which might undermine financial stability and monetary sovereignty. So what that? The European Union has fear if the Chinese yuan or digital Chinese yuan or digital dollar will come out, and maybe European people starting to use this other nation's currency, or maybe Facebook will come out with its DEEM, its stable coin, and we all know that Europe and US are really against the DEEM digital currency. ECB says digital euro may be needed to combat artificial currencies. Artificial currencies. What are artificial currencies? The ECB's annual euro report stressed that a digital euro may be needed to fight off the threat of artificial currencies from foreign tech giants. So foreign tech giants, Facebook coin. deem Facebook coin or maybe other things. So not Bitcoin. One's concern could be a situation in which domestic and cross-border payments are dominated by non-domestic providers, including foreign tech giants potentially offering artificial currencies in the future. Also, it can happen with let's say, with USDC or USDT, that the most used stable coins out there. Okay, but they fear most the Facebook's Deem coin. Christine Lagarde, noting in January, good chunk of time, A CBDC could facilitate the digitalization of information exchanges in payments through invoices, receipts, identity, and signature, allowing intermediaries to offer services with higher value added and technological content at lower cost. Low transaction cost and bundling effects could increase its appeal for invoicing cross-border transactions as a means of payment and as a unit to settle current transactions. Nice. Guys, check, just I remembering you that during all my lives, scammers posting that you should contact this super professional trader guy who will make you money. Don't contact them because they will steal your money. And also there are some giveaway and some promotions that send Bitcoins to this address, send Bitcoins to that address. But we be very careful because most of them are scammers. So that is why I'm not just going to Facebook and I'm banning all these scammers. So don't be fueled by these scammers. Really crazy. Okay. Yeah, I got you. I got you. Cool. So yesterday there was a news that in China they launched already the digital yuan, the national digital yuan, and they made a 6.2 billion US dollar worth of lottery. And most of the people who won on the lottery and get the reward in digital euro went back and bought more and more lotteries. So this is how central bank digital currency adoption is executed. Nice piece of news. I like it. Al Jazeera. China bans finance firms from servicing crypto transactions. So this was the FUD on 19th of May. This happened when this price manipulation, this dump happened. But you know, guys, there is no new ban in China. This is just the reiteration of the existing ban from 2013 and 2016. So no new ban in China. The next piece of news. Chinese government mouthpiece says people have the freedom to trade Bitcoin at their own risk. So guys, and this is fresh news from yesterday. So Chinese government says that Chinese people have the freedom to trade Bitcoin at their own risk. They always stating that trading and holding crypto is risky, but they saying that the people having this freedom. Nice. And it was also in China Central Television, telling the audience about rampant market manipulation, citing anecdotal examples, and so on and so on. Dissuade the Chinese public from crypto trading. So they don't want people to trade Bitcoin. They don't encourage people to trade Bitcoin and crypto, but they stating that the Chinese has the freedom to trade Bitcoin. So don't be fooled Bitcoin and crypto is not banned in China. Also, crypto mining is not banned in China. There are some rules, and if somebody breaks the law, then there are some consequences. But if everything's working well, then also the mining and OTC crypto trading can going on. Coinbase rival Kraken launches mobile crypto trading in US. Yeah, so I then had the business developer manager of Kraken posted it on LinkedIn, and also I congratulated because the app looks really nice. Kraken's mobile crypto trading app is now available across the United States, except for New York and Washington. So guys, let's move from New York and Washington to get this. Okay, the app is now available for most of the United States as well, iOS and Android. 50 cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, BTC, and Ethereum via smartphone. Nice. This consumer app is our first major foray into supporting wider consumer adoption in a much more simplified, easy-to-use interface, Kraken Chief Product Officer Jeremy Wach noted. Nice. Kraken has 7 million customers so far. So we know that Kraken is one of the oldest exchange and with one of the most reputable exchange in the United States. If I remember right, Kraken was never hacked. The user experience was not so good in the past, but it's getting better and better. And now they launched this app that it's more convenient to retail people to use the app. And also the company is registered as a money service business with the United Treasury Department's financial. So actually Kraken has a banking license. So also they are doing fiat on and off board. Okay, Kraken was in talks for new funding that could double its valuation to 10 billion US dollar. And also I think after this fundraising, Kraken will go public as just Coinbase went. The next piece of news from Glassnode. We like Glassnode. Glassnode is making on-chain analysis and delivering a lot of good on-chain. So the week on-chain, the Bitcoin market has become a battleground between bulls and bears as we analyze on-chain sentiment for long-term and short-term holders. This is the price. We see that the price dropped to 30,000 and now we are just ranging between 30 and 40, but we are in the downtrend, so it's a bearish trend at the moment. Long-term holders are holders holding more than 155 days. Short-term holders are those who are holding less than 155 days. Short-term holders represents almost all coins that are at an unrealized loss. So short-term holders, okay, within 155 days, long-term holders more than 155 days. And long-term holders are now underwater, shown in the light blue zone in the chart below. Now, let's see. So this is the short-term holders profit. This is the short-term holders loss. This pink, or I don't know what's this light pink. We see that most of the loss came from short-term holders, and this dark blue is long-term holders in profit, and long-term holders loss in this. What's this? It's light blue. And yeah, so we see during the bear market and after the bear market, the long-term holders were in loss. but now short-term holders are in loss, and this is the threshold, this 5 months that short-term holders just came in the last 5 months into Bitcoin. Okay. Long-term holders in profit, 69% of all BTC supply. So this is 69% of all BTC supply. Light blue is just 0.5 of all BTC supply. Overall, okay, short-term holders hold only 4.5 of BTC supply. So short-term holders are just holding a portion of the Bitcoin supply. This suggests that around 26% of the coin supply is currently underwater, so they have unrealized loss, and most of the people also realized the loss. Okay, the next charts, Bitcoin short-term hodlers, Nuppel. Okay, we see the bear market here, and we see that today that short-term holders net unrealized profit and loss, so they are now mostly in loss. Long-term holders, Nuppel, so long-term holders net unrealized profit and loss. Long-term holders are in profit. Long-term holders were in loss just during the bear market and during the March crash, but just a little bit. Spending matters. Okay. Average spent output lifespan, significant reduction in the altcoin spending. So altcoin spending just it was in this region, and now we see that long-term holders spent here. Okay, so I think this is the most important chart here, and also we will check it tomorrow. So see, short-term holders are in loss, long-term holders are in profit. So you should be a long-term holders. You should accumulate Bitcoin whenever you can. If you are trading, also consider to put some of your trading profit into your long-term portfolio. The next piece of news. World's 43rd largest bank wants a piece of the 1.7 trillion cryptocurrency market. British banking giant Standard Chartered is leaping into the crypto industry. The bank's innovating and ventures unit, SC Ventures, is collaborating with an Asian partner to launch a digital asset brokerage and an exchange platform for institutional and corporate clients in the UK and Europe. So Standard Chartered Bank is one of the biggest banks in the UK, United Kingdom, Great Britain, otherwise. And this bank will provide this service just for institutional and corporate clients, so family offices and big players, so not to retail clients. We have a strong conviction that digital assets are here to stay and will be adopted by the institutional market as a highly relevant asset class. We are constructing the building blocks for a safe and reliable investment infrastructure on the back of Zodiac custody, which will ensure safe and compliant custody for institutional investors. The new company will provide a brokerage and exchange platform to enable safe adoption of trading by the world's largest and most demanding investors. The world's largest and most demanding investors will trading Bitcoin through Standard Chartered, and they will have this Zodiac custody for custody services. With the total market capitalization of digital assets over 1 trillion, collaboration between market-leading firms is imperative to the continued development of robust global institutional digital asset infrastructure. Nice. So all good news, Standard Chartered coming into Bitcoin. The next piece of news. What do we expect from the Miami Bitcoin 2021 conference? It's happening right now. We should be all there. Miami is hosting this conference. We know that Miami is really crypto-friendly. We know that there will be some news that Miami, the municipality of Miami, is accepting crypto for payments and for tax payments, and also Miami is paying his workers and co-workers in Bitcoin. So this conference boasts a stellar cast of members of Congress, celebrities, cryptographers, CEOs, and other crypto proponents, with the total attendance anticipated to exceed 50,000 people. 50,000 people. There will be the mayor of Miami, Francis Suarez, Bitcoin Permabull and MicroStrategy CEO Michael Saylor, Twitter's Jack Dorsey, Winklevoss twins Cameron and Tyler Winklevoss. Okay, Major Suarez, the major, recently revealed that he bought Bitcoin. There will be also Chris Giancarlo from US Financial Watchdogs and Brian Brooks, and so on and so on. The Wyoming Cynthia Loomis, the pro-crypto government officials from Wyoming, Anthony Pompliano, Mike Novogratz from Galaxy Digital, Paxos CEO Charles Cascarilla, Square's Crypto Steve Lee, and a lot of others. Nice, cool, great companion. The next piece of news. Miami Major Francis Suarez says he holds Bitcoin and Ethereum. Okay, Francis Suarez, an American attorney and mayor of Miami, yesterday revealed that he's holding Bitcoin and Ethereum. Suarez mentioned that he purchased BTC and ETH on the day of the US Senate passed the $1.2 trillion stimulus bill. In an interview with CNBC, the mayor of Miami added that he's planning to expand his crypto portfolio. Nice, congratulations to Major. We can supply clean energy to Bitcoin mining. Suarez has remained vocal about Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. He also added that the US could provide clean energy for BTC mining. We have the ability to supply clean energy to Bitcoin mining centers and data centers. It would be to benefit the crypto community if we did more mining in the US because we produce clean energy, he said during the interview. Nice. The next piece of news. IOTA 2.1 Nectar DevNet goes live to achieve full decentralization. Okay, IOTA testnet going live. Okay, it was published on Wednesday. There was this Chrysalis upgrade, Poland testnet, and now this new DevNet will come. Incentive to participate arises from the demand to use the network. Users who want to use our dApps, spend our tokens, or secure data on the Tangle have a natural incentive to acquire mana to use the Tangle. Mana is not a token since it cannot be traded, and its value will always be dependent on the demand for across the network. Nice. What's the next news? AMC meme stock frenzy may spill over the crypto as Bitcoin metric nears buy zone. Okay. it could be soon be a sea of green for Bitcoin and altcoins, sources argue, thanks to a convergence of data and the sheer power of memes. Pure multiply drops the pre-2021 levels. Okay, this is the BTC's best known price tool. Having said that, we prefer to be cautiously optimistic as further downside could surface, which in turn generates better value for anyone looking for entry points. So this is the Bitcoin price, the black, and this is the pure multiply red. And when the pool multiply is low, then it's a good opportunity to buy, as you see on the chart. And when the pool multiply is at high, then it's good to sell. Release the memes, GameStop stock trading cascades. We see the AMC stock trading here, jumping almost to 7 times. Okay. This is a meme stock, a special asset class. Security tokenization may be the next big use case for blockchain tech. So security tokens are here since 2019, but not too much happened in security token space. Tokenized Apple, Tesla, and GameStop stocks have surpassed 1 million per day in trading on cryptocurrency exchanges Binance and FTX. So Binance and FTX exchange has Apple, Tesla, and GameStop, and the daily trading volume surpassed 1 million. This is a new opportunity that self-custody of securities of the reemergence of peer financial instruments. Okay, and you will be able to trade, let's say, GameStop, and I think these Wall Street bets guys will come to crypto exchanges, because you know, when GameStop was shorted by hedge funds, the hedge funds asked Robinhood to shut down, that retail guys cannot buy. So I think you cannot shut down Binance, you cannot shut down FTX and other exchanges, so it makes more sense to launch this more and security tokenization on the blockchain. Cathie Wood buys more Coinbase amid crypto plunge. We know ARK Invest Cathie Woods is buying more shares of Coinbase amid the spiral in crypto prices. ARK Invest founder purchased 38 million worth of Coinbase shares in various funds on Wednesday after the cryptocurrency exchange stock dropped 6% amid Bitcoin's rout. Okay. A very, very, very interesting news. Just if you can see my monitor, I will tell you what's there. Alibaba, Google, among more than 300 companies seeking Singapore crypto licenses. So Alibaba and Google and other 300 companies seeking Singapore crypto licenses. Companies apply under the Payment Service Act, a comprehensive regulatory framework for companies handling activities relating to digital assets, including payments and trading. Okay. Cool. Firms that have applied but are still awaiting approval may continue offering specific payment services while their applications is proceed. So Google and Alibaba really want to provide payment services and crypto payment services in Asia, and not just payment, but I'm sure also exchange services, because this is how they need the license. Alibaba, Google, Alphabet. Alibaba, Google, Alphabet. Giving licenses to somebody is a premium, is not something that be taken lightly. We are ensuring that whoever gets an MSc, MAS license will be credible. Nice. Okay, guys, so that's it for today. Let's check what we see on the chart. So that happened yesterday. Let's check the 4-hourly chart. So you see that we are, oh, okay. Okay, so we are in a clear downtrend. We are in a clear downtrend. The upward trend broke somewhere here in April, and since then we are in the uptrend. That was the huge price decrease here, and especially from May, 19th of May, a sharp drop, and now Bitcoin started to form a horizontal triangle here, or you can call it a wedge, and in most of the time this horizontal triangle breaking out in the direction of the trend. So if the trend is downward, that most of the time, 80% of the time, these triangles are breaking down. 20% of the time, these triangles are breaking up. And what we witnessed yesterday, that was a breakout, and also we expected a retest on the horizontal line of the triangle, but the retest failed and it was a fake out and the price broke back, and now we are within the triangle. So something big should come, even breaking down or breaking up. If we would break down, if we would breaking down, that we have the measurement of from this triangle. So this is how we measure. This is the shorter side of the triangle. This would bring us to 23, 20, almost 23, 24,000 in the upwards. If we would breaking up, then it would bring us to 30,000 almost. But we do have this big head and shoulders here, and this head and shoulders has a neckline, and this neckline is at around at 44,000 something ish. And if the price would break up, then also we have a chance to break down from here, but that would a nice trade from 30,000 to from 40,000 to 44,000. That would be a 10% profit with a 10% leverage. That would be a 100% profit, but it's also likely that the price can drop here, even if the target is at 50,000. So this is for Bitcoin. So definitely something within the next 1-2 days should happen with Bitcoin. The weekend is coming. Almost in weekends we see recently drops. So just take a look on Bitcoin and see what it wants to do. This is Ethereum, and as discussed previously, even Bitcoin is entering a bear market. Ethereum, Cardano, and other smart chains like Polkadot, Solana, BNB can gain momentum because they have real network effect, they have real users, they have more and more applications, and they can provide great upwards movement, even if Bitcoin going down. That would something flippening. Even Ethereum can flippen Bitcoin market cap with time. It should just increase to 2.5 times, and then it's already flipped Bitcoin market cap. But it's not that Bitcoin as a store of value is wrong, is bad, but it means that other Internet of Money and other cryptos on internet blockchains are developing faster, because these are narratives in crypto. So Ethereum has a chance. Or this is an ascending triangle. You know, we have nice higher lows here, higher lows, and now if Ethereum would broke this at 2800, then that would be great, because then we would broke up. We do have a resistance as at 3400, and the target would be at 4000 almost. But also it can this ascending triangle most of the times are breaking up, and also you see this nice W pattern, but should broke this neckline, this trend line here, to get some momentum. If not, then also Ethereum can drop down and come here at these levels, let's say 1700-ish region. Yeah, so we see most of the altcoins are now in red. Maybe Kusama did really great in the past few days. So we see that from here, Kusama just corrected 140%, but it's not at a new all-time high, and now just corrected in this range, maybe getting some momentum, some consolidation. And also Solana had a nice price pump. It's making like Kusama, and we see all they broke this trend line. So Solana is a nice move. Hopefully Solana will go forward, but this is against BTC. Matic also sideways here, and now just broke down to another Fibonacci level, 0.618. This is the golden ratio, broke down here, and now we expect that to bounce here and continue upwards. But we'll see Matic rallied really nicely in the past few months, and also did a 100x in the last 1 year. Just a friend wrote in our Telegram chat that he bought Matic, as I mentioned a year ago, that it's a good buy, Link, Matic, and some altcoins for long term. He bought some Matic, and now he just checked his ledger, and he found that he had Matic, and he sold somewhere here. So that's it, guys, for today. Be sure to join CorionX Telegram group. We post some daily crypto news here, and also we post CorionX related thing. We are working on some product launches. Hopefully we will get all the things well, and we can launch soon. But now we are really close, but also we would like to make an audit before launching, because on Binance Smart Chain, a lot of hacks and a lot of tax exploit happened in the past few weeks. So we are really cautious about this. And also please make sure to come on YouTube. Push that button. I have this in other language, but push the red subscribe, push the bell all, and the like, and you can share this with copy the link and you can share in other social media and everything else. So guys, hope you enjoyed. The market is looking some mixed, a little bit bearish as we are entering in the weekend. Bitcoin should decide how to break out even upside or downside from the triangle. We will see more clear the movement, what we can expect. But the good altcoins like smart contract and I mentioned, and good DeFi projects and good Oracle project will perform well in the next few months and also I think in the next few years. Hope you enjoyed. If you're watching on Facebook, push the like and share. If you're watching on YouTube, subscribe, push the bell, and also push the like. Thank you. Have an amazing weekend. Maybe I will come with some news. Bye-bye.